you'll want to use a very dilute soap to water ratio. Recommend about 1/3 soap to 2/3 water, or even thinner. You can see how thin the soap needs to be to work with the foamer. The foamer is cleanable if it gets clogged up. The soap should come out kind of like this. Hold on 1 second here. You can see the quality of the foam. If it doesn't come out like that, then it could be your soap is too thick. But if it happens over a period of time, typically it could be the screen inside the foamer. You can fix this by gently pulling the top off, and you can see this little piece here has a screen on both sides. It's a small screen. You can clean that screen with a brush, like a toothbrush. Clean it out. It gets clogged up with dried soap or thick soap sometimes, and that'll make the foamer hard to push down or not produce a good foam. After you clean it, you just put it back in, and then push this down until it clicks. And then it's good again.